everybody. Welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Right now I'm out in the John Deere 317 skid loader, or the deer steer, because that's what I like calling it. And I'm out in my dad's 40-acre field. I'm grabbing a few round bales out of here to move into our hay yard, because I don't really want them out here this winter, so I try to get her done as early in the year as I can, so I don't have to worry about that. Which I don't blame. I won't blame myself for not wanting to have to be out here working on moving these in the winter, fighting snowbanks. To grab, I don't know how many round bales I'm getting out here tonight, because the skid steer sounds a little weird, and I don't want to have a skid loader, because our only way in and out of this farm in the winter is with a skid loader. Socked in with snow. I mean, we get socked in. We had northwest wind in the winter, and we only have snow on the ground. Or northeast wind, it doesn't really flip the matter. Wind's out in the right direction. It'll kick us right where it counts. 99% of the time. Isn't that what I like? Yeah. Right now here. Currently. Oh, I hate this. I mean, I don't hate it, I love it. When my phone gets to where I want it. I really don't have anywhere else to run it. On the phone, I have it right now currently. Oh. That's a little wet there. A little bit of a wet spot where I turned, but whatever. Part of farming. May not always be the driest. We're not supposed to stop smoking, not the worst conditions, but you still make do if you have to. Back in school for my senior year. I will probably say, I personally think, I really think the best day of my school career yet. Just because people in all of high school. Actually, I take that back. They are probably the nicest person in high school. Not even probably our nicest person in high school. be treated like the way people have treated me in my life. There's a few other nice people in my grade, but a lot of them are just stuck up and just don't like me because I'm me and they're them, I guess. I personally don't want to be known as the guy that's a jerk, because honestly, I don't try to be a jerk, but if you're going to be jerk to people and me and expect me not to stand up for myself and say something, you should probably think twice. 'Cause I'll tell you right now, I ain't going to stand around and let people treat me or my peers or my friends like crap, because I'm not that guy. And that right there, let me zoom out. That is my bell moving setup that I'm running today, which I'll probably end the video here, guys, and see how many more bales I can get done tonight. But like Travis from the rest of the story always has said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch, and I'll talk to you guys later. All at Krueger Family Farms.